Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very super excited to have all of you coming back to watch my videos. And my goal is just very simple. I literally just want that through my video, I give premium educational content that literally can take anybody from any level of trading to profitability. Because at the end of the day, the essence of why we are all trading is because we are all chasing financial freedom. And I believe in the power of Forex trading to be able to change, you know, your finances and to give you freedom, right? And so that is why I create a lot of videos on trading and literally videos that can help you in your trading journey. So if you're here for the first time or at whatever level of trading, beginners, intermediate, and advanced level, I do have amazing content literally that are mind-blowing and you literally could find a lot of value for. All right, so today I have something very exciting. I want to be able to teach you, especially most people who are beginners, how you can navigate the TradingView platform. For those of you who do not know what the TradingView platform, simply the TradingView platform is a platform, it's a website that allows you to do your technical analysis, right? To be able to analyze the chart, allows you to use some very cool tools, right? Features that allows you to be able to do analysis very profoundly. All right, so let's get into it. Okay. So let's get into it. So I'll be sharing my screen and we'll just be going straight into it. And I'll try to keep the video very brief and direct. And so let's just see how it goes. All right, so let me share. All right, so this is called the TradingView website. This is what it typically looks like. For those of you who are new, I know basically you're already familiar with it, right? So this is the most powerful tool as a forex trader you need to use. So basically, what is TradingView? This TradingView is like an online platform that allows you to analyze the markets, the financial markets, like forex, crypto, stocks, and any commodities using charts and indicators. You see, think of TradingView like trading workspace. So where you study price movements before you enter the trade, right? So first of all, you want to be able to create an account. So when you come, you just type www. You can see the URL www.tradingview.com, and when you get there, you just create your account, free account, right? And the free version is really more than enough for beginners. It allows you to use cool tools, cool feature. So let's go through the understanding the interface. So first of all, we'll look at this how you can search for any pair, right? And how the chart areas, the time frames, and all of that. All right, so first here you look at let's look at things that are top here, at the top of here. First of all, you see your search. But after you've created your account, you just come and you get here, right? So you get here, and so you just copy this URL here, www.tradingview.com/chart. It brings you to this chart area. So first you come here, you can search any pair. Remember, they have stocks. You can search for stocks. You can search for funds. You can check futures. You can check any forex pair here. You can do crypto, indices. There's bonds. There's economy, and there's options, right? So literally all financial instruments are here. So you just do any one you want, and literally it just lets you to. It gives you some very cool tool you can use to do that. All right. So the next thing here is chart, right? Just put it at, usually it should just be a chart default. Then here it allows you a time frame. You can just select any time frame you want. It allows you to use like 12-month time frame, right? Any time frame basically. So basically for every time frame you click, it means that every single candlestick you see, that's the amount of time it took for that candlestick to be able to form. All right, so you have 4 hours, 1 month, 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours. So if you're a day trader, usually the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes are very key time frame. So this is a very important feature here for you to be able to do your analysis on. So very important you look at it. All right, so now the next thing is here. You can actually change this from candle to line. You see, from line. But I mean, why do you want to put it in anything that is not candle? Candle is really the standard trading thing. You can put indicator. For those of you who love trading with indicators, you can actually you can actually add or remove any indicator you want here. You can just say RSI indicator. And whereas relative strength index, you click it, it will just draw RSI on the chart, and all those things here. So different indicators, basically, different indicators. So those of you might be wondering, how did I get these London, New York, Tokyo sessions? Come here, I just come down, just put session, trading session, and look at it, I just double it on. It's an indicator so that allows me know what happens at every session. And so that too is very, very, very important. So here is alerts. You can set price alerts. Usually when you're using the free price version. So for example, if I don't want to watch the chart all the time, I can say, okay, if I can say that anytime that prices get here, that he should let me know, and it just beeps my phone and so you can just do that, and it just helps you to be able to do that, right? See here, price crossing, can put greater than. It means that, okay, if price breaks above any level like that, I can just put the value, the price here. I want to get there, it just, basically just alerts me my phone. Sometimes it gets to send you email. So here's back testing. Usually there's a free version. I use the free version that so it just allows you to be able to replay charts. You're able to replay those charts back because those charts are very important. Yeah. Yeah, so basically, yeah, you see that's how that works. And that's how that works basically, right? So like that, you can just replay charts. Here you can save things, these all place, um and here it allows you to be able to change. You can change the candlestick colors, right? It can be, some ladies will change their own to pink. I just like living this way, and just come here, different things. So I just want us to talk at different tools that are just important. So let's look at some important tools. So by the time you go here, top here, there's like two like trend lines, right? I know most traders, they use this strategy a lot, trend line strategy, right? It can just help you draw your trend line. See here. So this tool is very useful. So what I did, I came here, it's a trend line. Horizontal rate is very important. It means that I'm drawing support and resistance level. See, I just put it. I can change the color of this from this. I can change it here. I can change it to blue. See, that's changed to blue. So any color basically I want, right? So and so usually the most important trend line, horizontal line, are the most one. Then for your support and resistance and marking out zones, those are a very important one. Those of you guys who use this, so now you usually see that when people do the analysis, they want to buy. For example, they want to forecast. They want to go on the sell. This thing, they will just click short position. It just helps you to be able to identify where your take profit is. So I don't have to be watching my laptop. I can say, okay, I didn't do any analysis. I'm just showing you this. I said, okay, this definitely would come down here, right? I'm expecting price push. Let's say I'm targeting a sell, right? And I can just push down this thing. I can just push this thing down like this. I say, okay, risk to reward. It just shows me, see risk to reward ratio 5,000, 5.96, 5.96. That means almost six 1 to 6 reward ratio. It means that anything I'm risking, I'm going to meet in times 6 if this thing comes to this level. My stop loss here, you see this red bar just tells me, okay, this is my stop loss. I'll be calculating with measurement 1.35140 is my take profit zone. So that is very important. So if it's a buy too, I'll just click long position. And let's say that we want to buy from here. All right, so we'll just put it where we want it to be. Just adjust this briefly, adjust our stop loss level. Right, basically, just as very simple as that is. So those tools are very important, especially those tools by your left hand side, right? They are very important for you guys, especially on a day-to-day level. This marker, I can write something on my screen. Let's say I'm teaching, and I just want to write something. See, all right, I can just write. Right, I can just draw. Sorry, not write. Really, just draw. So, sorry, the chat is now messy. I'm going to clean it off. I just want you all to understand. So, can put anything right here. Arrow markup. Let's say I want to mark out this zone. See the arrow. If you push down, basically different was text. Let's say I want to type something here. I just put this text button. I can just type I love Forex. See it here, I love Forex. All right, so you can see that it's just appeared there. So icons, emojis, all these emojis, stickers, you can put it on your chart. If you have something you want to cover, right? It just helps you to be able to cover that very easily. It helps you to cover that very easily. Like something I want to just cover, I don't want people to see. I just use that. So basically this is it. Yeah, basically these are very important tools that most of you guys use every single day. This Elliott wave, and all of that. Right. Most patterns just mark this Fibonacci retracement. Most of you guys are use Fibonacci. So you can just put your Fibonacci here. Let's say we put our Fibonacci here. See, this is the level. So we got the different level, right? So you just mark the key levels you want. Basically just understand where your supports or where, how far price likely going to move. Basically, yeah, so anyway, so that's that for that. So let's look up here. So now let's say you want to send somebody this thing. Let's say you want to send somebody this thing, like you did an analysis and you just want to share it with people and to copy the trade, you just have to go here, this camera here. You can either download image, download a thing, you can copy image, you just copy and pay Ctrl V and send it, or you copy link and the person will click it, or you can share directly on Twitter. Yeah, so basically that's how that is. So these numbers here are the currency price, like the value of the currency, what is worth. And you can see as I'm moving my mouse, you can see gradually, look at the down part where those numbers are. Literally can see if I move, it tells me the date and the time that candle form. If I place it on any of these candle, now you see that this is on Tuesday 20th January 2026 by 7:45. So I move a CD, I can just put any candle if I want to know the date that candle came. So literally that's a very important source. So let's come here now. This is my favorite. I can add pairs here, watch list pair. Right, so I can type any pair. I can put Euro USD, can put GBP USD, can put GBP USD JPY. So you see, as I click them, see all of them just comes here, appear here. So you see, I don't need to so if I want to trade, I don't have to come to this point and search it to be able to open it. I just click here and it's just like my favorite. It's just very easy, more easier to be able to get there. Right. So yeah, so that's very important. So but usually I trade mostly two pair, and that's gold and BTC USD. this alarm. You can use it to set alarm on any of these pair, and basically that's just here too. Can use to all those important position tools for your analysis here. When you click this place, objects, this object trade and data flow just provide you with all those tools here. Comments, and just see comments. Usually those things are not really very important. So that's it. So basically, most things you need to do your analysis here. Either you want to do text, either you want to draw, you want to do long, put the long position, the short position, everything literally, basically, everything. So guys, this is how this works. This is how you navigate TradingView. Basically, you just have to understand how to select pairs, how to select time frame. Usually, you can see here, if I want to bold in this thing, I'll just press the plus down here, just put this in the middle, it brings it up. Minus, if I want to shrink the charts to see like a wider view, right? If I just want it to be normal, click the and the refresh. You see it's just normal, right? So don't forget, these are how, in a simple way, I want to keep it brief, right? The most important thing, this is how you navigate your TradingView. And I hope you got value. I hope you got value from this video, and you've learned a lot from this video. You've been able to learn how to be the chart area, the time frame, how to be able to change the chart type, right? Trend line tools, the support and resistance tool, indicators, and how to save your chart. If this video has helped you, please do well to support me by watching other videos, subscribing, commenting, letting me know what you've learned, if you find value. I'm very open to taking your feedback. I'm sorry, so in the next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to stick to the very exciting videos, and the goal is that this year we all get profitable. So thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. I love you all, and I sincerely hope that I contribute immensely in your trading journey. See you next week.